So today I woke up at 8 o'clock. Then after that I prepared myself to go to went to Badot. Then after that I used my bike. I was riding it to go to station. And after that I turned the petrol because the petrol leaks sometimes. That's why I have to use it because this bike is very old. And after that I reached on the station. Then train is about to reach. Then train has reached. Then after that I devoted it, and I left it almost 9 o'clock. Then after that I went to coaching, and after that I practiced English there. Then after that I devoted my train again, as you can see. And after that I came back at my home, and with by bike. And after that I studied, and today I bought a newspaper, the Hindu newspaper. I bought it. Then I had to study, and I I studied almost 1.5 hour that newspaper. Then after that I had to go somewhere uh, with my mother and my sister-in-law. Then after that I read some vocabulary. I revised some vocabulary like antonym, synonym, one word substitution. Then after that I revised again. I took a newspaper again, and then I read it almost 1 hour. Then after that I took my dinner, and after that I studied mathematics and some vocabulary. And today I took a class that was geography class. I took it, and because I wanted to start geography. I was not studying geography, that's why, but I started yet. I have started yet. Now I am taking. I would take a class daily basis. I made a schedule, and after that I revised some vocabulary, and I took some grammatical rule I learned from Chat GPT, because I bought a subscription, but I don't use it because I want to learn in English language. That's why. So then after that I edited this video almost 12 o'clock something, and then after that I gave voice in that video. Then after that I was going to sleep. So let's finish this session, because today that was my first day to create this type of vlog. So bye, thanks for watching.